Today, we will learn how to test web pages using Selenium and Robot framework. So the prerequisite is that Python is installed on our system, Robot framework, which is Python-based open source test automation software is installed on our system, and then Selenium library is also installed on our system. A robot framework test case consists of four parts, which are settings. Settings are used to import the libraries and external variable and keywords. Then we have variables. It is used to define the variables, which can be used within the test case and keywords. And then keywords. Keywords consist of built-in keywords. Basically, we create custom keywords which use the built-in keywords. And finally, we have test case, and test cases are primarily written using these keywords. Let's look at a quickly at an example. So what this program would be doing, it will be opening a web page, and then it will be providing username and password information to it, and then click on the click button. And if everything goes fine, then we should be able to log in into that page. So it will consist of those four parts. First one is settings. So it is importing Selenium 2 library. Variables, we are defining home page library, home page variable, which is the basically name of the website. Then we are defining three keywords: open the website keyword, login keyword, and close the website keyword. And these keywords are written using the built-in keywords which are shown in blue of the Selenium 2 library. So open the website, what it will do, it will call the built-in clean keyword of Selenium, that open browser, and this is the address which is defined in the variable. Then what it will do, it will write the text, it will write the password into the text field and password field. And what it will write, it will write Maria as a text in the input name, username, and those shall not pass as a password. And it is identifying these input fields and password fields using IDs of those fields. So username is the ID for text field, and password is the ID for password field. And finally, it will submit the form, or we can use click button also. And the last keyword which you have defined is close website, which will close the browser. And the last section is test case section. We have only one test case in this case, and the name of test case which I have used is open the website, log in, and close the browser. And what it is doing, it is doing the keywords which we have defined here, calling those keywords. Open the website, sleep for 5 seconds, log in, then close the website, and finally we will let's have a quick look at the demonstration that how everything will work. So we have a program. I have already written the program. So let's look at the program. So program consists of, as I already defined, settings, import Selenium, variables, define the variable, define the three keywords, open the website, log in, close the website, name the test case, which is open the website. And what this test case is doing, it is calling these keywords and putting a sleep of 5 seconds in between them. Let's execute the program. So program is calling the name of my key test case, which is open the website, login, and then close the browser. So now what it is doing is opening the web page. What it should be doing, it should be writing the username and password automatically. So it has written Maria and password, and it has submitted the form, and we can see that it was successful. And it is allowing me to log out. But what it was the final step was, it will close it automatically. So we will wait for the final step after 15 seconds. So it has closed, and we can see that everything has passed. It has given a report. And actually, if we are interested, we can actually look at the very nice report which is being printed on HTML page. So if we just paste it here, so it shows the result in the very, very nice format. And if something goes wrong, then we should be able to look at the logs also. So in logs, it will give the details why test has failed. So same thing, a quick result is shown here, but we can look at the details by going to the log and report. I hope everyone has understood how it works. Thank you.